We guide you through how to restore your WhatsApp messages on iPhone quickly and easily. First, make sure you previously created a backup in your iCloud because WhatsApp can only restore messages from an existing backup. Start by deleting the WhatsApp app from your iPhone, then reinstall it again from the App Store. Once installed, open WhatsApp and verify your phone number using the same number linked to your account. After verification, you will see the option that says Restore Chat History. Tap the Restore button and allow the process to begin. Make sure your iPhone stays connected to Wi-Fi and keep the app open while the messages download from iCloud. Then, restore time will depend on how large your backup is. So, be patient while WhatsApp retrieves your conversations, photos, and videos. Once the process finishes, tap next and your chat will reappear exactly as they were during your last backup.